What's going on, guys? Billsuccess here, back with another unboxing video. Yeah, and today we'll be unboxing the brand new 2020 MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. Yeah, bro. Holy crap, bro. I feel so good to be doing this. Yeah, you know what? Let's quickly get into this good thing right here. Oh, it has this little tab right here. I like the way it sounds though. Sounds so dope. Whoa! Swear to God, you are not seeing what I'm saying. And this is what you see right after you open this box. Holy crap, what y'all see? What y'all see? Holy... Shit, this is a good little thing. My. As you guys may know, I really have great love for Apple products and would love to see Apple collab with Air Jordan or some dump. But yeah, you see, really love my iPhone. But then again, some Apple products I don't like. Something like the Apple Pencil. What's the whole point of that? I would rather use my hand to draw and shit like that. But yeah, in today's video, we'll be putting to test the 2020 MacBook Pro with the M1 chip right here. Yeah, world's current fastest machine ever. No cap. Yeah, you know what? Let's quickly get into it. I'm so excited. Okay guys, this 2020 brand new MacBook Pro with the M1 chip came up a few days ago, and I'm so much excited that I'm doing this unboxing for y'all. Yeah, I got it in a space gray colorway. I'm pretty sure this is the coolest. If not, I don't know. Yeah, Apple claims this is 5 times faster than the previous MacBooks, and that it is the fastest machine ever on planet Earth. Yes sir, I know, right? It has this little pull tab over here, which I really like. Yeah, just listen to the sound. Oh, that was so satisfying. Okay, so let's tear this apart. Let's throw this apart. And then, boom! It's a MacBook Pro with an M1 chip. Okay. How is this done, bro? Okay. I'm so scared. Oh! It's a MacBook Pro! Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Space gray colorway. Oh shit. This is dope, I'm not gonna lie. You know what, let's put this right here and focus on what is inside the box. What's this? This is designed by Apple in California. Look at that. Yeah. What's inside this? Let's go through this real quick. Okay, it has some writings and shit. I don't think I'm gonna need it. Like, honestly, I don't really go through the paperwork or whatever I purchase. Who does that? You do that? I just don't. So, I don't think I'm gonna do that. Like, I just don't go through the paperwork and shit. Let's still go through this shit. What's inside? What? Chill. Why are you tripping? Come out. Shit, this shit tripping it. Oh, and then boom, that's the Apple stickers right here. It's an Apple sticker. Ooh, yeah. Okay. That's dope though. I think that's pretty much it. What's this? Nope. And yeah, right. I heard about this. I heard this was changed to the new USB-C. Yeah, thank God for that decision, Apple. You blessed all of us. Damn, bro. Yeah. Yes, sir. And it came with this huge fast charger right here. Oh shit, you don't wanna... Why are you tripping? Come up. Yeah, it came with this huge fast charger right here. Yes sir, so sleek. Faster than ever. Okay, so now let's set it up and shit. So yeah, this is how the 2020 MacBook Pro with the M1 chip looks like. Yeah, let's get to it. Stop playing. Oh, okay. That's so dope. Stop playing with me. Okay. This looks so sleek. Shit. Look at that. Oh shit. Okay. So let's get it. Let's open it. Okay, and then boom. Y'all heard that? Shit. Okay. Okay. Shit, this is so sleek. Wait. It's loading or something? I didn't touch it. Shit, bro. This is so dope. And you have the English over there.
To use English as the main language,
Okay.
press the return key.
I'll do that. Chill. Y'all heard that? They're forcing me to use English and shit. I'll press that. It has the touch bar and shit. Oh fuck, bro. Okay, so let's get it. Let's set it. English, obviously. Select your country or something. No. Oh. China mainland. Okay, that's it. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Let's get. Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Okay, Siri's done. Share audio records. Improve sound. Data is not associated with you. Apology. It will only be stored for limited. No. Not now. Yeah, touch ID. Set up touch. No. Let's do that. Okay, so let's go. Okay, and then boom, it's ready. Okay. Setting up. It says setting up your mug. Okay, see that? Shit, and then boom, look at that, bro. What the, bro? This MacBook's resolution is crisp. Shit, it's like, just like, you know, you wanna lick it. Damn, that sounded a little bit weird. But hey, this shit is so dope. Okay guys, that will do it for the review and unboxing of the MacBook Pro with the M1 chip. Yes sir, look at the resolution, bro. That's so crisp. Definitely recommend it to each and everyone, especially those who will be doing a lot of editing and shit, bro. Like, I really recommend it. This is a very good product. I really like it and shit. I have nothing else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.